on the desktop, just to kind of keep everything all neatly organized. And this is part of keeping things quick when you're listing the items. So we'll just say eBay listings. Alright, and then for the name, we're going to type in the first few words of our item. So we'll just say Rubbermaid 2-piece set. And we're just going to save that. Alrighty. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a window over here and a window over here. Alrighty. So we're going to go over to eBay. We're going to sell our item. And going to log in. And I'm going to click on sell and sell it myself. And it's going to ask us what our title is for our listing. So we're going to hop over to our spreadsheet and we're going to copy and paste our title. Alright, and it's going to suggest the category, so we're going to say yes, that's where we want to list it. Alrighty. And right now we're going to click new, okay? So our next thing what we're going to do is we're going to open our photo bucket. Upload website, and we're going to upload it. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload our picture here that we created. And here it is right here. Going to upload that, and we're also going to go over here and we're going to do the same thing. Going to click finish there. So there's our image. And here's our image over here. And so right now we're going to click into link code, and we are going to grab this image right here. We're not going to grab it yet, but we're going to leave this window open, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go over to details in our eBay listing and click the HTML tab. Now you remember that template we grabbed before? We're going to grab it from here. We're going to select it all, we're going to copy it, we're going to paste it over here, okay? Now, the only thing, so you can see, here's our nice little template. We can get rid of some of this stuff, okay? Because we don't need all of this stuff. It's actually quite a bit different from what my template is. Alrighty, so first thing we are going to do is we're going to get rid of this right here because we don't need all of this. We should be able to get rid of it. Alrighty. We're going to get rid of everything. And we're just gonna, yeah, we're gonna get rid of it. Okay. So we got rid of it. So right here, this is where you're going to be putting in your store name. So eBay username goes here. Alright. This right here is where you are going to be putting in the title for your auction. So you can see, paste it in there. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get rid of this. right here you're going to want to put in your image. So let me go ahead and I'm going to pause this video and really quickly grab the code for inserting that image. Alright, so I've grabbed the HTML to insert the image and product image easily in here. So we're going to do that really quickly. Going to go down till we find where it needs to go. Alrighty, so we are going to put it right here. And we're going to get rid of this because we don't need this. So I'll give you this code, but we're just going to paste right here. And you can see I have another URL. But the advantage of using the code that I just showed you is it's automatically resized so it looks good. So this is just another product, random product, okay? So we've got our title in, and we're going to go here and we're going to change this image. We are going to go to where we had that photo bucket image, and here's the direct link. This is what you're going to grab. Grab that, and we're going to go down to where the image is, okay? Alrighty. And here's the image. Alright, so you want to make sure it's pasted next to the SRC. I'm going to paste in there, and we're going to say, okay, it's the Rubbermaid 42-piece set. Alright, that is the only HTML part you're going to have to mess with, the whole thing. Alrighty, so you can see here's our image, our product image. So here, we're going to set it up real quick to put in our product details. So here's the product details, and we will make that bold, and we will go over to Amazon and grab our product details. So this is all of our product details, and we are going to go over here and we're going to set it up so we have bullets, and then we're just going to paste as plain text. And we don't even actually need to do that. We don't even have to set up the bullets, I don't think. Okay, so we have all our product details, and then I also like to put a product description. Alright? Okay, so if you ever see something suddenly disappear, just kind of click the undo. Alright? Alrighty, so that's fine. Sometimes the templates can kind of be tricky. So we'll just put in the product description. And you can see here, it pastes in the code for Amazon, so we're not going to do that. We're going to do it like this. Paste as plain text. And it's bold. We don't want it to be bold, so we're just going to go like this. Alright? So now you've got your listing. And this whole setup thing with the product details and all that, you're not going to have to do this every time. Because once we get this template set up to our liking, you're just going to be able to copy and paste it. So our payment process, or what payment policy would be, buyer must, within 24 hours of, we'll just put hours of auction close. Alright, so then, like I said, we need to put our payment policy, payment via now only, and then our shipping policy, which should be whatever we want it to be, but I, I'll put you ship within business days. Auction close. Standard 3 to 5 day shipping applies, though larger items